Now we are about to see the lesson from the diary of Anne Frank. Before going into the lesson, let's know a little bit about her. Her name is Anneliese Mary Anne Frank. She was born on 12 June 1929 in Frankfurt, Germany. Her father is Otto Frank and her mother is Edith Frank. They married together when Otto Frank was 36 years old and Edith was 25 years old. She had a elder sister, Margaret Frank, who was 3 years elder than Anne Frank. In 1939, Hitler's Nazi Party came to power in Germany. Hitler was against Jews. He wanted to make Germany free from Jews. Between 1933 to 39, nearly 300,000 Jews fled from Germany to different parts of the world. Margaret and Anne, they went to Aachen to her grandmother's house. In September 1933, both Otto Frank and Edith Frank went to Holland as Otto Frank started a company in Amsterdam. In December 1933, the eldest daughter, Margaret, went to Holland. In February 1934, Anne Frank went to Holland on Margaret's birthday. When she reached her school education began. She started her schooling in Montessori Nursery School and up to September 1941, she studied in Montessori Nursery School. There, Mrs. Coopers was the headmistress of that school. When Anne completed her sixth form, both Mrs. Coopers and Anne had a heartbreaking farewell. After Montessori school, she studied 1 year in Montessori Lyceum. As Nazi's rule was much tyrannical, in 1939, Anne's grandmother too came to Holland and lived with them until January 1942, till her death. In May 1940, Nazi extended their power into Netherlands too. Oppression against Jews increased in Netherlands. They started to persecute Jews. Even the Jewish children were not allowed to learn with other children. That only made Anne to study 1 year in Lyceum. On 12 June 1942, Anne celebrated her 13th birthday, that is nearly 1 year after her grandma's death. She even lit an extra candle for her grandmother, as she loved her grandmother much. On her 13th birthday, an autograph book was presented by Anne's father to Anne. It was bound with red and white check cloth with a small lock. Anne had thought to use that as diary. Writing in diary is a much strange experience for Anne because she hadn't written anything before, and she also thinks in future she herself or others won't be interested in the writing of a small girl, especially a 13-year-old girl. So she thought writing in diary is much strange for her. Even though she had some negative aspects, she wanted something to pour out whatever she thinks in her mind. She also had an opinion that paper has more patience than people. So she decided the best way to let out her thoughts is the diary. The one more reason for her choice of diary is she had no real or true friends. She had loving parents, Otto Frank and Edith Frank. She had a 16-year-old sister and she had 30 people whom she could call as friends. She had aunts as well as a good home. But what she lacked is only a true friend. And simply doesn't want to jot down the facts, whatever happened in her life in the diary. She treated her diary as her closest friend. She even called the diary as Kitty. If Anne simply started to write her life as a 13-year-old girl, no one would understand it. So that she started to give a brief life sketch. She mentioned about her parents, sister, her school education, everything when she started to write the diary at first. Even she mentioned about her grandma's death too. In 1940 itself, Nazi extended their power into Netherlands too. As years move on, their oppression against Jews too increased. Jews were not allowed to run own business. Jewish children were not allowed to study with other children. They were forced to wear stars and they were forced to move out of their home too. So, on 6th July 1942, Otto Frank's family went into hiding. They planned to hide behind Otto Frank's office building. There was a secret annex behind a bookcase in his building. They decided to live there. Later on, four more friends of family joined together and continued writing diary in her secret annex too, and wrote about their life in Nazi rule and their secret life. Other Jews were forced to move out of their home and they were sent to Westerbork camps. And there were official announcements that all Jews must be removed from Netherlands by 1st July 1943. In secret, they decided to kill Jews. Anne's last diary entry was on 1st August 1944 because the family was betrayed by Sanjan and the complete family and their friends who were in secret annex were arrested on 4th August 1944. After their arrest, they were moved to Camp Westerbork on 8th August. Then Then Anne's family were moved into another concentration camp in Auschwitz. There, the ladies and gents were separated so that Otto Frank couldn't meet his family members after that. In January 6, 1945, both Anne and Margaret were shifted to Bergen-Belsen concentration camp. Their mother died in previous concentration camp itself. After moving to Bergen-Belsen concentration camp, they were affected by a disease called typhus, and Margaret died of that particular disease, and Anne died a little late after Margaret. Typhus was a kind of disease. When a person is affected by that disease, they would have fever, headache, and they would develop rash all over their body. Dutch authorities they officially announced Anne and Margaret's death only on 31st March 1945. But later on, researchers had said that Anne might have died in February itself. When the Second World War was over, Otto Frank was the only survivor of his family. He returned to Amsterdam to check whether any of his family members, friends exist there. There, he met his secretary, Miep Gies. She gave Anne Frank's diary and some other written records of Anne Frank. Otto Frank collected all these things and he published in 1947 in Dutch language. In 1952, the book was published in English in the year The Diary of a Young Girl. It was translated into more than 70 languages and now it is one of the most widely read book. Not only as a book, it was taken as films and plays too.